Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone is staying safe out there in these tough times out there right now. So we're staying safe, thank God. We are shooting videos for you guys, right?
Yes!
Today's video is inspired by the summer because it's hot out there and you want something refreshing,
yes,
and delicious and sweet. And this is inspired by our little girl, Sofia, because she loves popsicles, right?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Giving her popsicles
every day, pretty much. Well, it's hot out. It's
yes.
such a nice treat, you know. So.
And the other side of this is Nutella. My other daughter, Samantha, which is in New York, she's obsessed with Nutella. So we put both girls together and we have Nutella Popsicle. Very easy to make. 3 ingredients.
So easy.
Almond milk, Nutella, and condensed milk. That's it. So, honey, let's get right into this.
Let's get into it. Okay, so we have some almond milk here. And just so you guys know, the full recipe will be in the description
below.
Yes.
Exactly. Also, with the almond milk, we're using almond milk because it's a little bit lighter. You can use heavy cream, milk. I like this because it's not so decadent and rich. It's perfect. All right, let's go with the condensed milk. So that was 1.5 cups of almond milk. This is a 1/2 cup of the condensed milk, which gives it that sweetness. Oh yeah.
You kind of need that.
And then you put the Nutella on there, forget about it.
Oh my gosh.
And the star of this, here's to you, Samantha.
Nutella!
Nutella. I say Nutella. What do you say? Nutella?
Nutella.
Nutella.
Is there like a wrong one?
I don't know. Everybody says it differently.
Exactly.
I say Nutella. Sometimes I say Nutella, Nutella. Hey, it's all love here.
So all we're gonna do is just blend it up till it's nice and creamy, right?
That's it.
Yep.
So there we have it. From the blender into a measuring cup. So it's so easy. I mean, this, you can basically throw a straw in there and just drink this up right now. Hey, open your mouth. Open your mouth. I mean, seriously, you can drink this just like this, but no. We are going to put these into your special mold thing here.
Yes, I actually got this popsicle mold on Amazon, but you know, right now it's summer, so you guys can get it at most local grocery stores.
Absolutely.
If not, check out Amazon. They're about 15, 20 bucks, just depending.
Cheap.
Yeah, very cheap, and they're so easy, and you can make a bunch of different popsicles as well.
Absolutely. And if you don't have any of these, just use a ice cube tray, right? Use an ice cube tray. Just put it in there and pop them out, put them in your mouth and eat them, or put a little
popsicle sticks in there.
Get creative, but these are great to have, and trust me.
Yes.
What I love about this recipe too, you get the family involved, get the kids involved. 3 ingredients, people.
Yes.
So let's pour these in here.
And it's so easy to pour in once you put it in a measuring cup.
So just
doesn't get messy or anything.
No, see that?
That's it, and we'll just fill it up. And then when we're done, we're gonna refrigerate this overnight, and then we will come back and show you the finished popsicle.
Yes, yes, yes. Look, this is so beautiful.
There you go.
So there is the finished product. Obviously, we made this the night before. Yeah. It's another popsicle mold, which I love because you can get all these different colors, right, and shapes. This is a beautiful one. I love it. So what did you do here?
Okay, so I just took some warm to hot water just to release the mold quicker, you know, because you don't want to be waiting and waiting for it to come out.
I want,
and all
oh my goodness.
And then you have amazing Nutella.
Hurry up before our daughter wakes up and sees this.
I know.
By the way, it's midnight shooting this video.
Yeah, that's why we're so tired.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this. You want to try?
Oh my God, yeah. Oh my God.
Mmm.
So good. You remember those like chocolate fudge bars you used to get, the popsicles when you were a kid? Kind of reminds me of that, but so much better because
it's so
Nutella.
Creamy, and you can taste obviously the Nutella, but it's light but also creamy, you know?
Yeah.
Now if you put the heavy cream, it's going to be like really decadent and creamy. I like this because it's light, because you have the condensed milk and you have the Nutella. It's perfect.
I think it's perfect the way it is.
Oh my God. This is perfect for the summer, right? It's hot out there. Give this to the kids. They're going to love you guys. We love you guys.
Yes.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell button there to get all our amazing recipes. Simple, easy recipes from us two right here. And that's it.
That's it. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you're making too, or any ideas you want to throw at us to make some different videos.
Absolutely. You want a little bit more?
Yeah.